Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sonali and today we are going to talk about bacterial cell wall. So let's start. Now imagine you are this tiny bacteria who have just entered the human body or the host city. Now as soon as you enter the human body, what all happens is you are attacked by the enzymes, okay, which are present in the human body. Then there will be the osmotic pressure because of all the fluids which are present in the human body. Then you will be attacked by the immune cells like these antibodies, okay, which are on high alert because of the presence of the bacteria. So now how does this bacteria protect itself? It protects itself because of this armor which is present all over it. This armor protecting the bacteria is called the bacterial cell wall. Now let's see what is bacterial cell wall. Now bacterial cell wall, it is a tough and a rigid armor. Okay, if this is the bacteria, this part is the cell wall. Okay, now this cell wall is very thin. Okay, the size is almost 10 to 25 nanometer. It's even thinner than your hair. Okay, now what is the function of this bacterial cell wall? Why is it required? Let's see some functions. The very first function of a bacterial cell wall is protection against osmotic lysis. Okay, let me explain this to you. See, human body में जो fluids होते हैं वो fluid hypotonic in nature होते हैं. ठीक है, what is the meaning of hypotonic? Hypotonic का मतलब होता है less solute and more water. ठीक है, less solute and more water. अगर इस solution में मैं बैक्टीरिया को रखती हूँ, बैक्टीरिया enters, then what happens is the water have a tendency to rush inside because of osmosis. So अगर cell wall नहीं है तो क्या होगा? Water will rush inside. The cell will swell and it may burst, killing the bacteria, but the bacteria has to survive. That's why this cell wall, it prevents osmotic lysis. Okay, it prevents the osmotic lysis. Okay, it provides rigidity. Clear? Second is, like I said, it provides rigidity due to peptidoglycan. Okay, now you see the cell wall which is present, this cell wall which is present, it forms a mesh-like network due to the presence of this peptidoglycan. And this mesh-like network, it provides stability or rigidity to the bacteria. Clear? Now comes your third point. Third point is virulence factor. Some bacteria produces very powerful weapon. Okay, a very good example of that is your endotoxin produced by the lipopolysaccharide layer in your gram negative bacteria. Now इसका effect human body पे क्या होता है? Because of this, it causes fever, shock, and your disseminated intravascular coagulation. Okay, so some very powerful weapon, that is the virulence factor, cell wall can have. Now next come to the fourth and fifth function. Now remember, till now all the functions which we read was important for the bacteria, but abhi ke jo functions padhenge that are beneficial for humans, like your immunity. Now you see your cell wall, the structure of cell wall is foreign to us. Okay, ये bacteria का cell wall है, तो it's foreign to us. So the antigens which are present in the cell wall, उसके against हमारी body क्या करती है? It produces antibody. And these antibodies protect us from natural infections, or they can be used to create vaccines which will further protect us. Clear? Now coming to the fifth function, which is site of action of many antibiotics. The bacterial cell wall is site of action of many antibiotics. For example, your penicillin, okay, your cephalosporins, your vancomycin. Got it? This is your function of your cell wall. Now, let's move ahead. Now, you see, when it comes to the cell wall of your gram-positive bacteria, it is like the Great Wall of China, whereas your gram-negative bacteria is more like a apartment or a house. Why is the difference? The difference is due to the presence of this peptidoglycan, which in gram positive cell, gram positive bacteria is strong, is super thick. It is almost your 50 to 100 layer peptidoglycan. Okay, measuring almost 16 to 80 nanometer. Clear? So almost 16 to 80 nanometer. Now, this layer of peptidoglycan is actually made up of a neuropeptide chain. Okay. See, this neuropeptide chain, ये chain बना होता है alternative layer of NAG and NAM. NAG stands for N-acetyl glucosamine. NAM stands for N-acetyl uramic acid. ठीक है? So this peptidoglycan is made up of repeating unit of this NAM and NAG. Now you see something very important, which is extremely important for your NEET PG and also your exams, your second year exams. यहाँ पे देखो, हर NAM से something is coming out. ठीक है? What is coming out? This is the tetrapeptide chain. Okay, from each NAM, your tetrapeptide chain comes out. Your tetrapeptide chain is composed of this L-alanine, D-glutamine, L-lysine and D-alanine. Now, how to remember it? I have a mnemonic for it. That is Lal dog likes dance. Clear? This stands for L-alanine, D-glutamine, L-lysine and D-alanine. Lal dog likes dance. Clear? Now this tetrapeptide chain coming from each NAM is connected to each other. ये दोनों tetrapeptide chain जो हैं ये दूसरे से connected कैसे हैं? They are connected to each other through this pentaglycine bridge. Now this whole structure, ये पूरा जो structure है NAM, NAG, alternating NAM और NAG, and this coming out of the tetrapeptide chain जो connected है pentaglycine bridge से, all of this forms a 3D lattice. Okay, it forms like a strong steel reinforcement. जैसे एक बिल्डिंग में एक स्टील का ढांचा होता है जो बिल्डिंग को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, उसको स्ट्रेंथ देता है. Same way, this peptidoglycan is thick and provides strength to the gram-positive cell wall. Clear? Now, let's move ahead. We have another very unique thing which is only present in the gram-positive cell wall. That is teichoic acid. Always remember, this is only present in your gram-positive cell wall. Okay. Now, it is like chains. It is like chains embedded in the wall. Okay. अब इसका function क्या होता है? इसका function है maintain support. Clear? Maintains the support. Now, this teichoic acid is of two types. First is the cell wall teichoic acid and another is your lipoteichoic acid. Now, cell wall teichoic acid is connected to the peptidoglycan layer and lipoteichoic acid, it is connected to deep inside till the cell membrane layer. You'll see here, see, this is the teichoic acid which is connected to the peptidoglycan layer. It is connected to the NAM of the peptidoglycan layer. Lipoteichoic acid बिल्कुल अंदर, it is embedded deep and connected to the plasma membrane, that is the cell membrane. Okay, this is your gram positive bacteria का cell wall. Okay, whenever you have this picture and you have just forgotten everything, you can't remember and पूछा जा रहा है कि ये gram positive है negative है, always look for peptidoglycan layer. If the peptidoglycan layer is thick, ये इतना बड़ा है, इतना मोटा है, then it's gram positive cell wall. Clear? Okay. Now let's move ahead. Now your gram positive cell wall is strong. No doubt, we saw it is strong. Your gram negative cell wall is not that strong. तो अब वो strong नहीं है, तो it has to compensate. It's smart. Okay. Your gram negative cell wall is smart. It's sneaky and it's high tech. How? Let's decode this in the easiest way which is possible. Clear? So, gram negative cell wall, this is the gram negative cell wall का पूरा structure. So, we will start from the innermost layer. This is the plasma membrane and this is the peptidoglycan and the periplasmic space. You see, the peptidoglycan layer is so thin. The peptidoglycan layer is almost 2 nanometer in size. Okay, it is so thin. Now, see, यहाँ भी that whole neuropeptide chain is present. That is the alternating NAG and the alternating NAG and NAM unit is present here also. But ग्राम पॉजिटिव के नैग और नाम में और ग्राम नेगेटिव के में डिफरेंस है क्या? नाउ दैट डिफरेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर नीट पीजी. दैट इज फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डिफरेंस इज जो टेट्रापेप्टाइड चेन है दे आर नॉट कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर बाय अ pentaglycine bridge. This pentaglycine bridge is absent, is not there. So what is there? They are connected by a covalent bond. Okay, by a covalent linkage. Now, third and the most important difference जो ग्राम पॉजिटिव और ग्राम नेगेटिव के पेप्टिडोग्लाइकन में है कि सी द टेट्रापेप्टाइड चेन ऑफ ग्राम positive cell wall had what? It had lal, dog, likes to dance, remember? But here it is different. Here we have L-alanine, D-glutamine, and at the third position, instead of L-lysine, we have mesodiaminopimelic acid. This is the only difference which is present in the tetrapeptide chain. Clear? Now, if you have to, if you get confused, remember it like this. Lal, dog, mad, dance. Okay. So, again, L-alanine, D-glutamine, and this stands for mesodiaminopimelic acid and D-alanine. Clear? Understood? So, this was your peptidoglycan layer. Now, next is your most important layer of your gram-negative cell wall, which is only specific to gram-negative cell wall. ये वाले gram-positive में नहीं होते हैं. This is the outer membrane. Okay? This part, the outer membrane is unique, very unique to gram-negative. It's not present in gram-positive. Okay? And this outer membrane has two proteins. One is this bronze lipoprotein, which you see, which is anchored. It is anchored. It is attached to your peptidoglycan. Clear? And the second part is this outer membrane proteins, also known as porins. This is porins. They are present because they allow passage of small molecules. ठीक है? Clear? Gram negative का cell wall is a bit complicated than gram positive. I feel gram positive is very simple. Gram negative, it has more technicalities. ठीक है? So always start from your plasma membrane होता है, उसके बाद peptidoglycan होता है, उसके बाद outer membrane होता है, जिसमें होते हैं bronze lipoprotein और porins, that is outer membrane protein. Till here, clear? Now coming to something which is like a VIP badge for your gram negative cell wall, like something which the gram negative cell wall is very proud of. That is the lipopolysaccharide. Okay. Now the lipopolysaccharide is one of the best feature of gram negative cell wall. It has a lipid A, the endotoxin, the most powerful virulence factor present in the gram negative cell wall. Now after that, this is the lipid A. Then this one is the lipid A. Then we have the core polysaccharide, which is just sugar chains. This core polysaccharide is the sugar chains. Okay. And then we have the O-specific, O-antigen or O-side chain. So you see we have the lipid A and this wavy side chain, O-specific side chain, and they are connected by this core polysaccharide, by this sugar chain. Okay. If you are getting this diagram and they ask you gram positive hai, negative ka cell wall hai, remember look for the peptidoglycan. If it's very thin and you see too many layers, and this important wavy layer, which is in the outermost part, it is a gram negative cell wall. ठीक है? तो lipopolysaccharide के कितने part होते हैं? The most important part, lipid A. This lipid A producing the endotoxin. Then we have the core polysaccharide, which is like sugar chain, and the O antigen or the O side chain. ये wavy सा O antigen or O specific side chain. Clear? Now, let's quickly see the difference of gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Peptidoglycan thickness किसमें thick होता है? Gram positive में. Gram negative में it's very 1 to 2 layers. Amino acid at third position. Gram positive में क्या था? Of the tetrapeptide chain, it was L-lysine. Gram negative में is mesodiamino-pimelic acid. Pentaglycine which किसमें present होता है? Gram positive में. Remember, gram negative में absent. Lipid content is scanty in gram positive. It is more 20% lipid in gram negative. Endotoxin lipopolysaccharide is absent in gram positive. It is gram negative ka VIP badge. Something gram negative bacteria is very proud of. Teichoic acid is present in gram positive. Remember the chain embedded in that Great Wall of China, the one which is maintaining the structure. That is the gram positive में teichoic acid. Gram negative में that is absent. Clear? Now let's go through some questions. First question is, which structure is unique to your gram negative bacteria? Which structure? Teichoic acid? No. This is exclusively present in your gram positive bacteria. Just now we saw peptidoglycan. It is present in both. Gram positive में it is thicker. Gram negative में it's very thin. Outer membrane. This is the correct answer. Capsule is present again in both. Outer membrane is the correct answer. Clear? Now, what is the function of lipoteichoic acid in gram positive bacteria? Now, your lipoteichoic acid क्या करता है? It provides structural support. Means most of the main function of this is of peptidoglycan providing structural support. Teichoic acid is more like maintaining the structure. Okay, this is peptidoglycan ka means most important function. Then act as endotoxin. No, gram negative में this is the function of gram negative. Precipitate conjugation, no, this is also not done. Then lipoteichoic is it anchors cell wall to cell membrane. Clear? Okay. Next is which is not present in gram negative bacteria. Now, peptidoglycan present in both. Not present. See, the question is not present in gram negative bacteria. Teichoic acid, this is the correct answer. Lipopolysaccharide is present. Porin channel is present. So you have to see the what is the question asking. Not present in gram negative bacteria. Teichoic acid. Why? It is present only in gram positive bacteria. Clear? Now identify. First of all, tell me ये gram positive का cell wall है कि gram negative का cell wall है? ये gram positive का cell wall है. Why? Because I saw this super thick peptidoglycan layer. Okay. So what are these A, B, C, and D? This A is what? A is teichoic acid. B is the peptidoglycan. C is the periplasmic space, and D is the cell wall. So कौन सा option होगा? This is teichoic acid, peptidoglycan, periplasmic space, and your cell wall. Correct answer is 3. Clear? I hope it's clear to all of you. Next, move to the last question. ये किसका है? ये ग्राम नेगेटिव का सेल वॉल है. सी द थिन पेप्टिडोग्लाइकन एंड दिस वेवी O specific side chain. So your A is O specific side chain, B is outer membrane. ये C क्या है? What is C? C is the porin, the outer membrane protein, and your D is the peptidoglycan. Okay, so O specific side chain, outer membrane, porin, and peptidoglycan. This will be the second answer. Clear? I hope it was clear to all of you. Thank you.